any chairs, so I'm told. Look at this elevator for you guys. Finish machines here. At the Boardwalk, an old style picture machine. Look at these old photos. How beautiful. Check this out. It's a model. A roller coaster. With a loop, nonetheless. What was that? Look how beautiful this place is. I love the color palette. It's just awesome. It smells like there's food cooking around here somewhere. Look at Goofy, Pluto. We have made it to the Disney Boardwalk. This is the end of our leg. The last day and a half. And look at the beautiful hotel here, would you? This is a beauty. The Disney Boardwalk, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the bathroom here. The bathroom's moderate, but nice. It's got really nice tile work. Really nice tile work, glass door. Large enough bathroom. Easily. Large guy like me. You got your sinks here. And your mirror.
Oh my God, this is gorgeous.
You got your Disney guys right here. Got some closets right here and a safe. Hang your clothes right here. They light up when you turn them on. A little vanity with a little coffee pot and a refrigerator. I guess the coffee stuff's in here, yep.
Like a wine cooler.
Coffee stuff's in there. This room is particularly one of the ones that allow you to go in between rooms. That beautiful dresser. Huge, what looks like a 65-inch TV. Beautiful artwork on the wall of the Disney Boardwalk. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Diane and I will never forget this place. We probably won't be able to stay here again because I'm not the type of guy to spend this type of money on a room. Especially when you come to Disney, we're never here. But we're gonna be in this room a lot in this vacation. And here's the beds. We got 2 queen beds. Beautiful pastel plaid type of backboard with reading lights on the side. Over here, you can see the reading lights.
Oh look, you push it out.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you.
Side with electrical outlets in case you're a CPAP user. Plugs right here. Beautiful. This is a beautiful resort. We have a balcony, so open the door. Let's go outside, Ben, so we can take a look. We've got a balcony that looks out the front. Oh, my knee. And it smells like the Boardwalk, man. And here you go. Skyliner's over there. Just simply gorgeous. Oh, you can see the Tower of Terror from here, look. Tower of Terror. Of course, Hollywood Studios is just right there. And then there's the actual boardwalk right there. So we ain't gonna do much walking. This is cool. What a beautiful resort. I'll tell you one thing. The air conditioning system works very well here.
I didn't know I needed a sweater or a jacket.
Yeah, it works that good. It must be 55 degrees in this room. What a beautiful room, guys. It smells great. It looks great. Look at the color codes. Like a pastel yellow with a beigeish white with a beige color. The fabrics, because of the lights. Got a full-size couch, none of that plastic stuff. Full-size seat over here. Di and I are gonna enjoy the hell out of this. We're not gonna go out much for a while. We'll go out later on. We gotta get some food though. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, because this is a beauty, guys. You get a chance to stay here, I'd recommend it, because it is beautiful. Smells beautiful, looks beautiful. It's a large room, very large room. All right, check it out. We love you. Hug somebody you love. Peace.